Hi, I'm Jake, and on this episode of Rig Rundown, we're taking a look at Sherwood's new model 8-inch jointer. So the key features of this jointer are the very long bed, the very long fence, the streamlined front, which will mitigate any catching on any of your clothing, and the mobility kit. So who's this best for? Well, seeing as timber yards are more and more often refusing to dress your timber for you, it's time to start doing it again ourselves. So if you've got some substantial pieces of timber that you need to start dressing, this is the machine for you. So the bed itself is 1950mm long, and it gives you a maximum cutting width of 200mm. The fence itself is 1135mm wide by approximately 135, which should give you substantial support while you're edging your material. With the fence, it also has a 45-degree tilt capacity and a locking pin so you can save whatever angle it is that you're using it for. So the bed design is a parallelogram bed, which means that as you adjust it, it falls in line with the cutter head. So instead of it just moving away from the cutter block, it will drop and rise and stay in line with it. It's especially helpful having this machine in a smaller workshop, say a 2-car garage. With the mobility kit, it means that you'll be able to move it in and out as you please. And the streamlined design at the front means that there's very little for you to catch on while you are feeding your material in. So it boasts a 3 horsepower motor, which is quite impressive for a machine this size. There's a 240 volts and 15 amps, so make sure you get a qualified electrician to come out and check your circuits. It also features this very bizarre power box that looks like it should be strapped to a DeLorean. And as usual with all Sherwood machinery, it's backed with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty as standard. And that's it for another episode. So for more information, hit the links below. Like, share and subscribe to the page to help us grow, and we'll see you in the next video.